Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is Principles of Inheritance and Variation. This is fifth chapter of your book. In this we will study 4-5 topics, that is Mendel's law of inheritance and inheritance of one gene, inheritance of two genes, sex determination, mutation and genetic disorder. Clear? Let's introduce ourselves with genetics. What is genetics? This is a part of genetics. What we are going to study. Have you ever think about why elephant produces a baby like elephant? Why the young ones are not looks like a dog, or a dog produces a baby like dog? Why their babies are not looking like a elephant? Have you ever thought about this? Why mango tree produces only like a mango tree, or any other living organism produces of their own kind? Have you ever think or thought about this? This is because of inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance? How we can define this? Inheritance is a process in which parental characters are transferred from parent to their offspring. Clear? This is inheritance, and because of this reason, the young ones which are produced by living organism are looks alike, are similar to their parents. Not exactly. They are looking alike. आपने देखा होगा अपने घर में ही, आपके यदि 2-3 भाई बहन हैं तो सारे कैरेक्टर में एकदम सिमिलर नहीं होते हैं. दो दे आर ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड चिल्ड्रंस ऑफ सेम पेरेंट, बट दे आर नॉट एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. In for this there is another term, that is variation. Because of variation, the children of same parent are not looking alike. Clear? This is variation. I think you have got about inheritance and variation. How you can define inheritance? Inheritance is a process in which genetic characters from parents to their offspring is transferred. Clear? And variation is a degree of difference among the living organism which produces their young ones. Clear? This is about principles of inheritance and variation. अब देखिए, ये तो हो गया थोड़ा सी इन्फॉर्मेशन सिमिलर ह्यूमन के केस में. अब इस पे वर्क किसने किया है? दिस इज ए पार्ट ऑफ जेनेटिक्स. हाउ यू कैन डिफाइन जेनेटिक्स? जेनेटिक्स इज ए स्टडी अबाउट genetic material which are transferred from one generation to another generation, which we have already studied about inheritance. Genetics is a study about genetic materials. In that, parental characters are transferred from one generation to another generation. This is about inheritance and genetics. Inheritance and variation. These two terms and another term, that is genetics. Clear? Genetics is a study about genetic material. Now, works of different scientists. Maybe you have studied in class 10 about ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल. ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल जो है एक साइंटिस्ट थे. ऑस्ट्रिया एक कंट्री है. ऑस्ट्रिया में एक ब्रून शहर है, ठीक है. ही वाज फादर और पादरी, यू कैन से पादरी और फादर इन ए चर्च. वहाँ पे पादरी थे तो उनके पास बहुत सारा समय बचता था आफ्टर डूइंग देयर ड्यूटी. तो जो समय बचता था तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उसका उपयोग करने के लिए कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म किए. और एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करने के लिए क्या लिए, मटर का पौधा, पी प्लांट. अब इसके पीछे भी रीजन है वाई दे हैज टेकन पी प्लांट. अब देखिए पी प्लांट छोटा होता है और कम समय में उसकी प्रोड्यूस किया जा सकता है. मीन्स देयर इज शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन. यू कैन प्रोड्यूस इन ए शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम फॉर परफॉर्मिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट. मीन्स यदि वो ह्यूमन लेते और खुद भी ह्यूमन है तो ह्यूमन के ऊपर वैसे भी एक्सपेरिमेंट इज नॉट अलाउड ऑन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स except health issues. So he has taken pea plant and it can easily handle. Means पौधा छोटा होता है, शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन है, तमाम सारे उसमें कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स पाए जाते हैं. लाइक लंबा पौधा, छोटा पौधा, white color of flower, purple color of flower. We will deal 7 characters which are taken by Mendel. तो मेंडल के बारे में जानकारी आपको हो गई थोड़ी सी. ऑस्ट्रिया के ब्रून शहर में पादरी थे, ठीक. एंड ही हैज टेकन ए पी प्लांट फॉर हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट. इन दैट ही हैज टेकन 7 पेयर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. मीन्स 7 कैरेक्टर लिए जिसको कि स्टडी करना था या जिस पे वो एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करना चाहते थे. क्लियर? व्हाट आर दो 7 कैरेक्टर्स? लेट अस नो अबाउट दैट. he has taken 7 characters. In that, first one, that is seed shape, means सीड का कैसा शेप था। यदि राउंड है तो डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर, एंड रिंकल है तो रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर। Dominant character, first one, that is seed shape, first one. Seed shape. Second one, seed color. Third one, that is flower color. Fourth one, that is pod color. Fifth one, that is flower position. Sixth one, flower color. First one, that is seed shape. Second one, seed color. Third one, that is flower color. Fourth one, pot color. In that, first one, seed shape. Dominant means dominant, round, and recessive, wrinkled. Seed color. Dominant one, that is yellow color. Recessive, green. Flower color, violet. violet is dominant one and white is recessive one. Pot color, that is green. Green is dominant and yellow is recessive. Yellow is recessive one. These are 4 characters. Other 3 pot shape. 5th one pot shape. Round one, that is round and full. Dominant and wrinkled are constricted. This is recessive one. 6th one. 6th one, that is flower position. Axial, that is dominant one, and terminal, that is recessive one. 7th one, and last one, that is high. Star is dominant and dark is recessive. This is 7 characters on which Mendel performed an experiment. अब आप देख रहे होंगे कैरेक्टर हम लिखे हैं, डोमिनेंट एंड रिसेसिव लिखे हैं. ठीक, वाई आई हैव रिटन लाइक दैट, डोमिनेंट और रिसेसिव. तो डोमिनेंट एंड रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स, you have to know what is dominant characters. When Mendel performed his experiment by crossing one pair of characters like tall plant and dwarf plant in F1 generation, those characters which express themselves in F1 generation, they are called as dominant characters, and those characters which are unable to express themselves in F1 generation, they are called as recessive characters. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स इलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं. रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स ओनली दे आर सप्रेस्ड बाय डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर्स. वी विल स्टडी व्हेन वी विल परफॉर्म Mendel's first experiment, that is law of dominance. Clear? इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से बोर्ड एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, आइदर 1 मार्क्स और 3 मार्क्स. क्लियर? दिस इज अबाउट 7 कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ Gregor John Mendel on which they had performed the experiment. And why Mendel's experiment is unique? There is also a question. Though there are so many scientists which have worked on deep जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर्स, इसके पहले भी साइंटिस्ट ने इस फील्ड में वर्क किया था, लेकिन मेंडल को क्यों माना जाता है फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स? बिकॉज ही यूजेस मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन his experiment. Because of this reason, Mendel's experiment is unique. Okay, we will deal Mendel law in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.